Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Don't look for security people to come and protect you. No sleeping day and night. Form your vigilante. The local government in Bubago must do everything possible to protect the people. No more need to be afraid. If they write you that are coming, tell them to come. That Ebonyi State is not against agitation for any alleged injustice. But as a state, we have resolved not to allow any form of violent agitation. We demand that any alleged injustice to our people must be compiled and given to the leaders of the state for them to address them with the leadership of the center.